Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to introduce today's presentation on smart farming, using AI and sensors to save water and fertilizer. We'll explore how innovative technology is revolutionizing agriculture, helping farmers increase their yields while significantly reducing water and fertilizer use. Over the next few minutes, we'll see how data-driven decisions are shaping a more sustainable and efficient future for farming. Let's get started. Today, I want to talk about some of the biggest challenges facing farming right now. First, water scarcity is a critical issue. Did you know that agriculture uses about 69% of the world's freshwater? As water becomes scarcer and climate change accelerates, crop yields around the globe are at risk. This really underscores the urgent need for new solutions to manage water more efficiently. Next, let's look at fertilizer waste. Excessive use of fertilizers not only harms the environment through runoff pollution, but also leads to a significant financial waste. Millions of dollars each year are spent on unnecessary applications. Finding ways to optimize fertilizer use is crucial for both sustainability and cost savings. Finally, farmers are dealing with increasingly unpredictable conditions. Weather patterns are more erratic, pest pressures are rising, and input costs continue to climb. Traditional farming methods often struggle to adapt to these rapid changes, making it even more important to develop innovative strategies that can help farmers respond effectively. All these challenges are interconnected and highlight why we need to rethink how we approach agriculture today. On this slide, we see how AI combined with sensors is truly transforming modern farming into a new era. First, let's talk about real-time data collection. Imagine hundreds of soil sensors per acre, constantly measuring moisture levels, nutrient concentrations, and even indicators of crop health. This continuous monitoring gives us a detailed picture of what's happening in the fields at any given moment. Plus, weather stations and satellite imagery add a broader environmental context, helping us understand how weather patterns and other factors influence crop growth. Next, we move to intelligent analysis. AI algorithms process all this vast data instantly, identifying patterns that might not be obvious to the human eye. These sophisticated systems translate complex information into precise, actionable decisions, like when to irrigate or how much fertilizer to apply. This integration ensures that farmers can respond quickly and accurately, optimizing resource use and boosting productivity. Overall, this combination of sensors and AI is making farming smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable, bringing us closer to the future of precision agriculture. Let's talk about the dramatic impact these innovations are having in the real world. First, we're seeing water reductions of between 25 and 50%. That's a huge savings, achieved while actually increasing crop yields by 20 to 30%, as seen in projects like Australia's COALA initiative. This shows how smarter resource management can boost productivity while conserving water. Next, there's the significant reduction in fertilizer use, around 40%. Cutting back on fertilizer not only lowers costs for farmers, but also helps prevent harmful runoff pollution, which is a key environmental benefit. And then, on the technology side, Purdue University research has demonstrated the power of precision management, with over 100 sensors per acre. This level of detailed data allows for highly targeted water and nutrient application, leading to better results at an unprecedented scale. Overall, these examples highlight how innovative approaches are transforming agriculture, making it more sustainable, more efficient, and more productive. Now, let's take a closer look at how our precision irrigation and fertigation system actually works. First, AI forecasting plays a crucial role. We use machine learning models to predict the water needs of crops by analyzing a variety of data like soil moisture levels, weather forecasts, and the specific growth stages of the plants. This helps us make highly accurate decisions about when and how much water to supply. Next, our smart irrigation system comes into play. It automates the watering process, ensuring water is only applied where and when it's needed. This targeted approach minimizes waste and maximizes absorption, which is not only good for the environment, but also for crop health and yield. Finally, targeted fertigation takes this efficiency even further. Nutrient delivery systems activate based on the AI predictions, providing fertilizers exactly when the crops require them. This precise timing ensures the plants get the nutrients they need for optimal growth, reducing unnecessary runoff or over-application. Together, these components form a seamless, intelligent system that optimizes resource use, boosts crop productivity, and aligns with our overall goal of sustainable agriculture. Let's take a closer look at the technology behind the scenes that makes all of this possible. First, we have IoT sensor networks. These are distributed networks of connected sensors that continuously gather environmental data from the fields. They create a detailed digital map of field conditions in real time, giving farmers immediate insights into what's happening on the ground. This constant flow of information is essential for making timely decisions. Next, we have cloud-based AI platforms. These platforms leverage powerful cloud computing to process the massive amounts of data collected by the sensors. Using advanced machine learning algorithms and predictive analytics, they generate valuable farming insights. This means farmers can understand trends, predict issues, and optimize their practices more effectively than ever before. Finally, digital control systems, like mobile apps and digital twin technology, provide an intuitive way for farmers to visualize field conditions. These tools simplify complex data into easy-to-understand visuals, allowing farmers to monitor their fields remotely. They also enable simple control over resource deployment, making farm management more efficient and responsive. All of these technologies work together seamlessly, underpinning the innovative approach we're presenting today. They enable smarter, more sustainable farming by turning data into actionable insights in real time. Now, let's take a look at the economic and environmental benefits of these innovative practices. First, on the financial side, we're seeing cost reductions of about 10 to 20% on water and fertilizer inputs. That means farmers can save a significant amount on these essential resources. Additionally, crops like cotton and grapes are experiencing profits that are 12 to 17% higher, thanks to optimized growing conditions that maximize yield and quality. These adjustments not only boost income, but also make farming more sustainable and efficient. On the environmental front, the benefits are just as compelling. Reduced chemical runoff from more precise input use helps protect our waterways, which is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Plus, healthier soil ecosystems and increased biodiversity are direct results of these more sustainable practices. Ultimately, all of this contributes to sustainable agriculture, ensuring that we can meet the needs of future generations without depleting our natural resources. These benefits clearly show how integrating smarter farming techniques benefits both the economy and the environment, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of promoting sustainable, profitable agriculture. Let's talk about some of the common barriers to adopting smart farming technologies. One of the biggest challenges is the upfront investment cost. Many farmers might hesitate because the initial expenses can be significant. Along with that, there's often a need for technical expertise, which can be intimidating if you're not already familiar with digital tools. Plus, the infrastructure requirements, like reliable internet or specialized equipment, can pose additional hurdles. But here's the good news. Solutions are evolving to address these issues. User-friendly AI agents are making complex data much easier to interpret, so farmers don't need to be data scientists to benefit. Open APIs and scalable IoT architectures are also key. They allow new systems to integrate smoothly with existing farm equipment, which helps lower the entry barriers. Ultimately, overcoming these obstacles is crucial for wider adoption, and these innovations are making smart farming more accessible and practical for everyone. This aligns perfectly with our overall goal of transforming agriculture into a more efficient, sustainable, and profitable enterprise. Now, looking ahead to the future of AI-driven farming, let's explore some exciting developments. First, autonomous equipment is really transforming the field. Imagine self-driving tractors and robotic harvesters working seamlessly. This not only optimizes input use, like water and fertilizer, but also significantly cuts down labor costs through precision operations. It's about making farming more efficient and sustainable. Next, we have blockchain integration. This technology allows us to create traceability systems that verify sustainability practices throughout the supply chain. For consumers, this means greater transparency. They can see exactly how their food is produced and ensure it meets certain standards. It's a powerful way to build trust and accountability. Finally, advanced sensing is taking things even further. Self-powered sensors, combined with sophisticated phenological models, enable us to make highly tailored decisions. They can assess microclimates and specific crop varieties, helping farmers optimize watering, fertilization, and pest control in real time. This leads to more precise and effective farming, ultimately boosting yields and sustainability. All these innovations are converging towards smarter, more sustainable agriculture, making farming more resilient and responsive to future challenges. Farming smarter for a sustainable future is more than just a catchphrase. It's a movement that's transforming agriculture. The agricultural revolution we're witnessing today is happening right now, driven by cutting-edge technology. AI and sensors are empowering farmers to make precise, data-driven decisions that boost efficiency and productivity. This means we can significantly reduce water usage and fertilizer application, which not only saves farmers money, but also helps protect our planet's vital resources. It's a win-win situation. Early adopters of these technologies are gaining a real competitive edge, positioning themselves ahead in an industry that's rapidly being reshaped by innovation. The tools are already available today. There's no need to wait. We have the opportunity to farm smarter, more profitably, and sustainably. So I ask you, will you be part of the next agricultural revolution? Because the future of farming depends on it.